24th December 2020 and first day of college after long lockdown. I'm waiting for my friends in the front gate of the college, and now I'm going to the lab because first period of my class is chemistry practical. Then I'm going to lab, and this is my chemistry lab. We are promoted, and now I'm second year student, so it's new lab. And today I'm doing some titration experiments, and when I free, and I'm going to the English department to submit my exam paper. After the submit of my exam paper, my friends decided to going to library to check it out from the new books, and we are going to library. But bad luck, library is closed for the local students because we are locals, so it's closed. And after that all, we decided to go back home, and it just meet after long time, so we are decided to some enjoy and make fun. And this is really incredible time with friends, and really it's very enjoyable time, and never forget this time. And after that all, my friends helped me to shoot my some videos for social media. Yeah, Anna and Mansi clicked my many beautiful pictures, and I say thank you so much for this help. And after this, she's going to your home, and I'm start waiting to my dad to pick up me from college. When my dad is come, and I'm going to back home with my dad, and this is my home terrace, and I see beautiful sunset. After that, I cooked gajrela by myself. It's really very tasty. And evening, my mom decided to decorate the Christmas tree because today is Christmas Eve, but tomorrow is Christmas. So me, and in dinner, my mom cooked my favorite red sausage pasta. It's really tasty. After that, all I click some my pics with the stuffs of the Christmas tree, and now I start to decorate our Christmas tree with the help of my mom. Actually, I help my mom, not mom's help me. I just make some fun with my mom. It's really very good time to with my family. I really enjoy. I wish every Christmas like that. I'm not going outside, I'm just live home, but it's really incredible time in every years. I just see the Christmas, but this year is really incredible for me because I spend too much time with my family, not with my friends. I really feel what family is more important than friends. And in now that day of the Christmas, me and my mom click some pics. Merry Christmas to my all friends with good health. Take care. As do you like my video, so please like, share and comment on this, and see you in next video. Have a nice day.